Good morning, class. Today our lesson is all about simulating typhoon. But before we can perform the activity, we have to prepare our material for the activity. So we are going to make a typhoon simulator. We need the following materials. We have two 1.5 PET bottles, scissor. We have the cap, bottle cap. You make it sure that there are holes at the center of the cup. And we have electrical tape. But you can use any tape. You can use scotch tape, duct tape, and others. Then we have 1 liter of water. And we have colored sand. You can also use dye, colored dye. And another recommendation is flour. So we can use flour because we have flour at home. So we are now ready to prepare our simulator. So we already have the bottles here. The first thing that we are going to do is we have to join the bottle caps, the two bottle caps. I think I need an assistant. So we're going to join the two bottle caps together. So with their holes at the center, using our electrical tape. So just join the two bottle caps together. So make it sure that the water will not leak. Turn it around, round and round. Then you're going to cut. So there you have it, dear students. So we are now going to cover the bottle. Then we put the other bottle on top. Screw. You have to screw the bottle. Test. You have to test it first before we are going to put more tape around. I think this will leak. So we add more tape. Yan, lagyan natin ng tape all around. So you can make, there's students, you can make this simulator since the materials are available at home. So you have to prepare this first before you can perform the activity on simulating typhoon. Then we're going to try. Let us try. There you have it. Successful. So we are now simulating a tropical cyclone here. So describe what is happening at the center of our simulator or tropical cyclone model. Okay. So we were able to produce two simulators. For the first one, we used the flour, and the other one, we used the colored sand.